Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MongoDB latest version, that is 7.0 on Ubuntu 22.04. Go to MongoDB official website, then click on database manual, then click on installation. See, here we have two options, MongoDB Community Edition and MongoDB Enterprise. So the installation is same. See, if you click on install on Ubuntu, you can install. Okay, you can get the list of the steps, but I'm going to install MongoDB Enterprise Edition. Okay, so click on MongoDB Enterprise, then click on install Linux, then click on install Ubuntu. I will keep this document in the video description. See here the message, MongoDB 7.0 Enterprise Edition supports the following 64-bit Ubuntu LDS releases. So it supports only on 22.04 LDS and 20.04 local. Okay, let us check whether we have connected to either of this one. Okay, so more/etc os-release. See, we have connected with 22.04 LTS and it is Gemmy. See here, it is Gemmy version. Okay, first step is prerequisites. Okay, then next scroll down, next install this GNU PG and curl if not installed. If it is installed, you can skip this step. Anyway, run that command. If it is not installed, it will install. Type Y and hit enter for confirmation. See, curl is not installed, so it has installed. So next command is we have to import the GPG key. So by copy this entire command and paste here. It is done. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now here we have to select the type of Ubuntu version. So I am on Ubuntu 22.04. So you have to click on this one and you have to create this file. Okay, copy this file up to list. Sudo give this touch command. Just we are creating the file. Okay, hit enter. It is success. Let's verify whether this file is there or not. Copy it, ls-ltrh, paste that one. See, it is typo. List. See, we have the file. So next we have to run this command. What it will do, it will copy all this data to this file. Okay, so just copy this one or simply open the file and you can paste that one. Okay, no issue. So hit enter. Now verify this file. More. See, same data, both lines are added. Okay, so next we have to update the local packages. Ctrl L to clear screen. Sudo apt get update. This may take time if you haven't recently updated the packages. It is success. Okay, now Ctrl L to clear screen. Now to install MongoDB Enterprise, we have to run this command. Just click on this copy button, or if you want to install specific release, you have to give up to here. Then here we have to mention the version number details. So I am going to use this one. It will install the latest version available in the packages list. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Hit enter. See, it is downloading. See, we have successfully installed MongoDB Enterprise Edition 7 on Ubuntu machine. Now try to connect to MongoDB by running mongo sh. See, we are unable to connect, connection refused. Okay, so why? Because MongoDB is not started. Let's verify whether MongoDB is started or not. Sudo systemctl status mongo d is the service name. See, it is inactive or dead. Also, it is disabled. So let's start the MongoDB service. Sudo systemctl start mongo d. It is started. Let's verify. See, MongoDB is started, but it is still disabled, which means whenever Linux host started, we have to manually start the MongoDB service. So to avoid that scenario, we have to enable the MongoDB service. So command is sudo systemctl enable MongoDB. It has created a symlink. Ctrl L to play screen. Let's verify. See, it is enabled. Before it was disabled. Q2kit. Now try to run mongo sh command. See, now we have successfully connected to MongoDB. Now run the command show DBs. See, these are the default databases comes with MongoDB installation. If you want to create database, you have to use and database name like R2 schools. By using use, we haven't created, so we have to a collection in this database. Then only database will be created. Let's create a collection by just pasting this command. See, it has created a collection. Now verify show DBs. See, we have new database. Until we have created an object in any new database, it won't be created. Whenever we have created a collection, then database will be created automatically. If you want to exit from this one, you have to give exit command. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure MongoDB Enterprise version 7 on Ubuntu 22.04. For more MongoDB videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.